Yay, I'm finally finished with the jewelry. As you can see, I finished. That's the gift for the girls. I am done. Now you can look at some of my creation. Look at it. Yep, here you go. And these jewelries as well gonna be giving away for the waffle. Yeah, this is some really island look. You guys know I'm Haitian, so I gotta show that to my people as well. I'm also gonna give a Armani bag. It's Giorgio Armani. It's original. The box is beat up because it's been around for a minute, but you have the makeup and everything. It's gonna go in these cute little boxes. Aren't they cute? Yay! They're so pretty. Alright guys, I hope you come to August 29th, which is this Friday at 6 p.m. Virginia Union. Go to my foundation website, www.Limye fondasyon MPWM.org. Anyway, it's gonna be on my Facebook. If you cannot spell it, I miss it, you will see it on my Facebook. Okay. Alright guys, let me see if you can see me. I love you guys. Come and support me, please. I'm working hard for my people and for you as well.